Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power lift gate, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.